Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been MIA. I'm gonna say that I'm back just so that I'm held accountable because I've been gone for a month and I didn't even know I've been gone for a month. Anyway, I'll get into that in the video. But yeah, I kind of let you guys know where I've been, what I'm doing, and like a mini update. So if you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle plus a mini life update, then just keep on watching. Hi guys, I am so excited today because I'm finally sitting down to film a YouTube video. I feel like it's so foreign to me. A month flew by before I even knew that a month had even went by. Like honestly, it feels like only like it's been 2 weeks or so since I posted a video, but it's literally been a month. So I'm very sorry about that. Life just kept coming. I was going out of town and I wasn't really feeling YouTube, which is nothing new. I've told you guys that many times in the past. Then I ended up dropping my camera and broke my last lens, so I had to get this lens, and it was just a whole thing on that note. But anyway, we're gonna be doing my hair today. This is nothing new of a hairstyle. I'm literally just gonna be doing a twist out, but I thought I would sit down with you guys because I was doing my hair anyway, and I thought, why not film it? Maybe this is your first time seeing me do a twist out, maybe not, depending on if you're new to my channel or not. But anyway, I washed and conditioned my hair already, and I used the Aveda botanical repair products. I used the strengthening shampoo, and I used the intensive strengthening mask. I used the light version, which I ran out of this. I literally used the last amount this time of me washing my hair, so I'm going to be switching to the rich version. So I'm going to link both of those down in the description box, as well as the shampoo and the styling product that I'm going to use. I'm going to use the Miche Bounce Curl Defining Cream. I used this the last time I did my twist out and I really liked it, so I'm going to be using it again. And so we're going to get started. So let's reveal the hair. Let's get it. Oh, I let it dry too long. It's just like slightly damp now. I wanted it to be like kind of wet. I already have my parts because I got twist, as you guys saw on my Instagram, and I still have that part in my hair because I liked the middle part that it was. But what I'm gonna do is kind of clean up the part. So I'm gonna take some of this curl cream and line my scalp with it, and then just kind of clean it up. Booyah, perfect part, which it was already kind of parted anyway, but I fixed it up. So now I'm just gonna messily part my hair straight to the back and then create a section over here, clamp it over there. And then we're gonna get started with this side. So I'm just gonna take probably, what is it, 2 inches? Yeah, about 2-inch size section, and clamp my hair up. And then I'm gonna take the Miche Curl Defining Cream. Like I said, this is what it looks like, and I think this is just online, but don't quote me on that. Like, I don't know if it's in store yet, but the quality of this product is so nice. I'm sure it'll be in store soon, but if you guys want to try it once you see the results, which you probably already saw the results at the beginning of the video, but once you guys see the results, if you guys want to check it out, I will have it linked down below as well. But anyway, I forgot a comb, so let me do that. If you guys didn't know, which I'm sure you knew, I started back using combs because I felt like my hair wasn't getting detangled using my fingers. Like, it was getting detangled, but it wasn't getting detangled, if you know what I mean. So I started back using combs a long time ago, but I never like discussed it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I stopped using combs for a while because I felt like it was taking a lot of my hair out, but I don't think that anymore. For some people, it is beneficial to just finger detangle most of the time, but it's good to get that detangling process at least once a month if you're going the no comb route, just to make sure that your hair isn't curling into itself. But I like to use it every time I style, not just because of that, but also because it helps the hair go in the same direction and it makes the results more defined. And I'm just using this detangling comb brush from Felicia Leatherwood. I don't know what I just called it. Detangling comb brush? No, it's a detangling brush. I love it so much. And it takes me less than an hour to do my full head of twists because I've gotten like super fast at doing this. I'll be ready to be done with it. So I try to go really fast. But anyway, I'm doing a hanging bantu knot on the ends. I'm definitely doing a terrible job explaining what I'm doing. I don't know what I thought this was. This is more like a do my hair with me, not necessarily a tutorial. But if you want to know how to do a hanging bantu knot, I'm gonna explain it on this one. But yeah, so I went out of town. Where did I go? I first went to London and Paris with my mom. You guys saw that on my Instagram. And then I got back, and I think like a week later or 2 weeks later or something like that, I went to Miami. And that was like amazing, an amazing trip. Never been where's my phone? I just heard it ding. Never been to Miami. It was my first time there and it was so much fun. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be going back. So just detangling this section and then twisting all the way down. I love putting my hair in a middle part. I used to be obsessed with a side part, but middle parts are my thing these days. And I'm actually excited to, I'm jumping all over the place. I'm excited to try out the Rich Intensive Strengthening Mask from Aveda. I've never tried that. I said I was gonna explain in that twist. Okay, let's undo it. Okay, so I take my finger and I create a loop. So just like that. So go around, create a loop, and then twist that end around the twist a couple times. Few times until you reach the end, and then you take the part that you twisted around and pull it down, not all the way out, just all the way to the end, and then it creates a little bantu knot. That way your ends are curly as opposed to being straight, which straight is cute too, but I just like my ends to be curly because it kind of goes with the whole twist vibe. Anyway, so now I forgot what I was talking about. What was I talking about? Oh, the Aveda strengthening mask. So I really like the light version. It's really nice. It makes my hair really soft. But when I was in Nashville, I went to the Aveda store and they had the rich version. So I wanted to give that a try. So I didn't get light this time. I just got rich. And plus my hair is on the thick side, obviously. So I'm thinking that that's gonna work better for me anyway. So I'm excited about it. I'm thinking my hair is gonna really enjoy it, but I'll let you guys know, keep you in the mix. So you can see the definition in this section of when I just comb it out after. I don't know if you can really see that, but when I use a lot of product, it really just defines my curls. But when I do a twist out, I kind of like to use a little bit amount of product depending on the product. Like for more like lighter creams or lighter gels or whatever, I'll use more product. But because this is more of a thicker consistency, I like to use a little bit amount just so that it doesn't weigh my hair down too much. I don't have a problem with this product weighing my hair down. I'm just trying to prevent a problem from happening, from arising, if you know what I mean. See, here's an example of a section that's kind of that's being really defined by that product. It's really hard to see because my hair is dark brown. Okay, my camera died, but you guys I think saw what I was trying to show you. But yeah, this product really does define my hair and I really like it. And it doesn't have any silicones, which I'll talk to you guys about in a previous video, that I'm trying to use less silicones, so that's nice as well. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my head off camera because it's kind of repetitive. 30 minutes, if not less than that, to do this whole side of my head, so I will be right back. So it is the next morning and I'm about to take down my hair. I didn't come back last night because we're here now. So I'm gonna take the Taliah waajid, I think I'm saying that right, green apple and aloe apple seed oil, and I'm going to apply this to the tips of my fingers and then work it together and then start taking down the twist. And this stuff smells straight up like apple, not the artificial version, but like apple, which is nice. But anyway, I am just gonna take these down and I'm using this oil to to add a little bit of moisture at the end, and it'll help it shine a little bit more too, because as you guys know, I have low luster hair, so that means that my hair doesn't really shine that well, and water kind of sits on top of it instead of like getting directly into the strands. And I always miss one, at least one. Look at these results, like, come on. I love this product. Okay, I missed 2 this time. Actually, I think 3. Yeah, here's 1 too. I missed another one. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not doing that great a job taking this down. And then now I just go back in and separate even more, make it bigger. I usually do this in the bathroom because I can see a lot better, but because I'm filming this, I'm gonna do it in here for a little while, and then I'll have to finish it off in the bathroom. But I literally just separate the twist even further, add a little bit more oil just to make sure it's hydrated and shiny and all that good stuff. I love this part, making my hair bigger. My favorite part of the twist out. I do twist out so often. I'm sure you guys are sick of seeing twist outs. Let me know what kind of hairstyles you guys want to see. I know how to do very little amounts of hairstyles, so I can't really do complicated ones. I mean, maybe I can try. I can't braid, so let me just start by saying that I cannot braid, but I do know how to do a perm rod set, so maybe I can do a perm rod tutorial. But let me know what you guys want to see down below in the comments. I have a vlog coming up soon too, so that should be fun. Okay, so I got my hair mostly done, but it's not finished until I use my pick. I'm using the Pattern Beauty pick. This is my favorite pick. So huge, and it's perfect for creating like that big hair. You can see kind of like the before and after, and I kind of like to pick from behind because it helps not like take away a lot of the definition, as opposed to like picking it out from here, which I do a little bit, but I try to keep that at the roots, but I go a little bit further in the back. Hopefully that makes sense, but you can definitely see the before and after on that. So I'm just gonna do that on this side as well, and use my fingers to kind of hold it and help out shape it how I like it, and then kind of just fluff it, fluff it, fluff it. Thought I wasn't gonna have to go to the bathroom to like finish it off, but I got to, so I'll be right back. So I just finished my hair off camera. It doesn't really look that much different, but I kind of like to do last minute checks and just make sure that my hair is fluffed and shaped how I like it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. It's kind of like do my hair with me / life update. So make sure you guys let me know what kind of hair tutorials you want to see down in the comments. Remember, I'm a beginner when it comes to hair. But yeah, let me know down in the comments, and make sure that you subscribe before you leave and thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.